find some way to show the world that I cut ties with Mr. J for good.
Harley!
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant. And, luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
Like a lit cigarette, took my last breath. Like a song from my lips, I've lied for you, and I liked it too. My knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick.
This is where it all began, Puddin'.
You motherfucker!
And now I'm lost in through my tears. I'm crying through my fears. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman. But I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation. This is our story. And I'm telling it, so I'll start where I fucking want.